Hello guys, this is Naren here. Namaste दोस्तों. And this time I made a profit of around 15,000 by doing option expiry, hedging, option writing on expiry day trading, and total profit I earned including yesterday is 16,000. I'll show you how I made the profit. Okay, just let us see. At first I'll show you how I made the profit, and this is all profit. Okay, this is all profit 14.73 14,073 730 rupees. I made a profit. This all the Nifty, Titan, Nifty, Asian Paints, but these just I'll explain you. I have done trading with the stocks expiry also, as this is a month end. I have done the expiry trading with the stocks also. These I sold like Asian Paint average. These I sold yesterday itself only, and I have brought today as today's expiry, and I have taken the advantage of making profit of stocks also. And for doing stocks, it takes a lot of margin. So I have done a little stocks only, and Bank Nifty, everything you can see all profits. Just from top you can see the profit for 900 rupees, 1350, 795, 551 rupees, and later I made a profit of total amount of 14,730 rupees. Okay, and I'll show you how I done a profit. Let us go first. I made an analysis by the Nifty graph, and this is the Nifty, and I do trading only from 11:30 to evening 3:15. This is my trading time, and only on expiry day, especially on expiry day. And let us see today. I don't know what the Nifty has opened, and this is the Bollinger graph I am using, and Nifty is at 11:30 is around 9467. So I made a margin by this. So I made a margin in this way. So as it is showing 93279300, and bottom line it is showing around 9200, and the top line is showing around 9535. So I have made a range bound around 9600 to 9600 to, and middle of this line is coming around 9260. In the same way I done with the Bank Nifty also, with the range bound, and I sold those quantities, and I'll show you. I have sent this is the range bound I made at 1150 by analyzing the graph. Nifty at 9550 to 9300, and Bank Nifty 19800 to 18,800 puts, above puts I saw. Okay, let us see. And this is the graph for Nifty. As I told you, 9550. Let us see 9550. How much? 9550 and 9550. You see, just these all prices from 9550 below all have fallen down to zero, and other graph is 9250, I think so. This all graph, all values has fallen down to zero. In the same way with the Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty, as I analyze, is the Bank Nifty 18,800 to 19,800. Let us see 18,800. Just see, it is in the range bound only. 18,000 I sold below this 18,800. All these values have been lost. Trading price has become to 000. In the same way, and other range bound is 19,800. Just see, this is 19,800. All these values has become to 000. Just I have sold these all values at 11:30, 12:30, 1:30. Keep on shuffling, and I made a profit of around 10,000 in options and 5,000 in stocks. Okay, same way I applied with the stocks also. Just I'll show you with this one with the Bank Nifty. Let us see. Bank Nifty Bank. Okay, how I made the 19,800 to 18,800. These values also I sold at 11:30 itself only. So 11:30 is lying around market is 19,400 at 11:30, and let us see at this the top bound 19,760. So I made for my safe side I kept this top line as a range bound 19,800, and bottom line this one bottom comes around 18,800. Okay, let us zoom. Okay, it's 11:30. Bottom line is coming around 17,900. So I made a round figure of, sorry, this line 18,800. This is the range bound I have cut, 19,800 to 18,800. Okay, there you can guess, and moreover, just see here is the MACD. MACD has been crossover here, so this is a good opportunity to sell the calls, to sell more calls. I sold more calls less than puts, and I made a profit. Hope you guys you can understand what else I am saying. This is the range bound. I used 17,900 to 19,800 is a range bound. Okay, I will show you one more time everything. Okay, Nifty within the average sell rate is 3 rupee 40 paise, and average bought rate is 0.40, and the final rate it has reached to 0.5 paisa. And this how many lots I sold? I had sold 4 lots. Four lots is coming total 300 quantity, and with this I made a profit of 900 rupees. Again Nifty, let us see, and this average rate I sold is 1.92, and the quantity is 600, and I bought back at 0.60. With this I made a profit of 795 rupees. It is easy making money, guys, but be careful, just maintain a stop loss and I have not uploaded last 2 weeks video, as in the last week I made a loss of around 9,000 rupees due to some error mistake. I forgot to maintain the stop loss, and in the second week I made a profit of 8,000 rupees. So total for this month I made a profit of 30,000 rupees. With total I made a profit of 30k with the capital of 3 lakh rupee, with the capital of 3 lakh rupee. So it is almost 10% I earned money with my with my income itself. Okay, and just I'll show you my funds also. Just I'll show you everything is clean and green. Just let us see from 1476. Okay, from here. Okay, this one I made a mistake where I just traded in future, that's why I have lost. So I am not using any I'm not trading any futures. This all I made a profit, and this is the last week I made a loss of minus 9,000. And today profit, today's and yesterday profit I made around 15,500 rupees. So for the month of May I made a profit of 30k with the capital income of 3.5 lakh. Okay, so that is almost approaching to 10% interest. Okay, the guys, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Hope you guys understood this one, how I made a profit, how I am doing the option expiry trading. Is very simple. Be careful, just analyze properly, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.